Guys, so this is my channel right here, and like you can see, just know it. Look, if you haven't subscribed, just hit the subscribe button because you are missing a lot. I'm going to show you the 7,000 views. Okay, this was given to me by TubeBuddy, something every YouTuber uses. So TubeBuddy here, I just hit milestones. Guys, this is it, 7,000 views in like 2 months. I mean this is crazy. I'm going to show you how I did that. So let's get right on YouTube. This is my channel, so just hit here and get to YouTube Studio. All right, so this is where I am. You just have to get into your settings like this. So I'm in the settings right now. Let's go ahead and hit channel. And so this is what you have to do now. If you check my tags right here, I have my channel name, so just know it, one. And then the second part is just know it. I have it again. So you have to type your channel name in different ways. So you have the capitalized one, so just know it, with a capital J and a capital K and a capital I. Then you have one with the small letters. All right, then you have the other one with all in caps, just like I have right here. Then I also have other keywords like know. I have tutorials, I have web mastery, I have web mastery TV, I have iPhone, I have Android, because I'm going to talk about some of those things. Okay, so I have how to, I have tech how to, I have tech tips and tricks and all of those ones, so you can check them out here as you can see on the screen. Now if you don't know how to input these tags, so let's say I just want to say Albert. Okay, so if I type Albert, I'll just add a comma and it's added. Okay, so that's how you add tags. Make sure you choose and select the right tags for your channel, the tags that are associated to what you are doing on your channel. This is very important. Okay, so that is the number one thing that you need to do. This will really help people find your channel, okay, online. So I just realized that I have to even add my name. All right, so let me just add Owusu, comma. It's added. All right, I'm going to save it, but you can add tags up to 500 words. So I'm just going to hit save now, and then it's saved. Okay, if you already have some videos or you're uploading your first video, there's something that you have to do. In fact, you have to do this in like your first 10 videos that you are going to create. Okay, I'm going to show you right away. I've already done that, but I'm just going to go through with you. Let's hit content right here. So this was my very first video. I have some shots down there, so I'm going to hit the description for my channel. Now if you're a new creator, it's very important for you to have a first video that is introducing your channel. Okay, just like I have here. So in this video I have welcome to Just Know It. All right, then in my description I'm saying welcome to my channel, Just Know It. Then you can see this, it says hello guys, welcome to Just Know It. In this video I get to introduce my channel to you. Sounds good, huh? With just some few clicks we get to learn. All right, then you have Just Know It. So the idea here is to put the name of your channel in the description as much as you can. If you can put the name of your channel in your description like 10 times, please do that. It's right to do that. You know, if you search something on YouTube, like if I come to YouTube right here now, if I search Just Know It, you see where my channel is, it has come first. Do you know why? When I started YouTube, okay, you see this second channel here, Just Know It, it has the same name as mine. Okay, I didn't know, but it was later that I found out. Okay, so it has the same name as my channel. Then I go like, no, this guy was always the first. You know, when you search for Just Know It, he will appear first. All right, but I'm like, no, I really have to work hard. So I started looking for a solution, and now you can see my video at the top. So what I did was just to input Just Know It in my description and in my title as many as I could. Okay, so in my very first video, you can see Just Know It, a lot of it over here in the description, and you can see Just Know It in the title box right here. When you come to the tags for this particular video, you can see Just Know It, you know, about three Just Know It. Okay, so I have that right there. Now let's check the second video I uploaded. This was the second video I uploaded, and I did same. Okay, I did same. So do you see the title? How to type smart and fast Google Lens. Just Know It. All right, so I did that just for you to find my channel, just so you can find my channel. I want my channel to be found at the top. So these are the two most important things that you have to do. Just add the right tags for your channel. So just go into your settings and add the right channel tags. The next thing is to make sure you have your channel name in most of your videos. Your video descriptions, you can have them in your title, unless maybe you are using a very long channel name. That one, maybe you might have to put it just in the description, but not in the title. If you have a very short channel name, like Just Know It, you can just add it to your, title. But as time goes on, you might have to stop. Okay, you can't be doing it every time. So like in your first 10 videos, currently I have 14 videos on my channel. So I stopped around the set video. That's adding the name of my channel on the title. Now I only add it in the description. I add it about 3 or 4 times and then that's all. Alright, so guys, trust me, this is really going to help you grow your YouTube channel. It's going to make people find your videos. It's going to make people find your channel. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. I'm very happy you are watching me, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Now, if this video is actually relevant to you, I want you to hit the like button. Okay, just smash the like button and share with other creators, and just let's help ourselves grow. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.